Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 11th, subject Environmental Science. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to start our new unit, that is environmental health. Let us discuss first what is environmental health. Environmental health is a science and practice of preventing human injury and illness and promoting well-being by number first, identifying and evaluating environmental sources and hazardous agents. Number second, limiting exposures to hazardous physical, chemical, and biological agents in air, water, soil, food, and other environment media or setting that may adversely affect human health. As defined by World Health Organization (WHO), it is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of diseases or infirmity. Health is a dynamic condition resulting from a body's constant adjustment and adaptation in response to stress and change in the environment for maintaining an inner equilibrium called homeostasis. Now, what is concept of health? Let us discuss concept of health. The word health refers to a state of complete physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Healthcare helps people to maintain this state of health, which merely does not refer to absence of disease but ability to recover from illness and other disturbances. In 1986, World Health Organization clarified that health is a resource of everyday life. For a healthy life cycle, a person needs a balanced diet, regularly exercise, proper shelter, and take enough sleep and good hygiene habits. The health of all organisms depends on their surroundings or their environment. Our social environment is an important factor in our individual health. Public cleanliness is important for individual health. We must ensure to keep our surroundings clean. We must also contact an agency who can take the responsibility of cleaning. We need food for health, and for food we have to earn money by doing work. Good economic condition and jobs are therefore needed for individual health. We need to be happy. If we mistreat each other and are afraid of each other, we cannot be healthy and happy. Social equality and harmony are important for individual health. Now, after concept of health, there is a disease. What is disease? What is the concept of disease? When one or more organs or systems of our body are adversely affected, as in their normal functioning is interrupted, we say that we cannot be healthy. That means we have diseases. Disease means something wrong in our body and we feel unwell. Our health is affected not only by unbalanced diet but also by diseases, infections, poverty, large family, overcrowded houses, etc. The diseases are normally caused external organisms, microbes intersecting the body's natural barriers and invading into our healthy body. Such organisms can cause havoc if our immune system does not handle it rightly. A disease refers to a particular abnormal condition that negatively affects the structure or function of a part or all of organisms. Now there are two types of diseases. Diseases are of two types. Number first, that is acute disease. Number second, that is chronic. What is acute disease? These last for the only short period of time. These diseases do not cause a long-term bad effect on human health. For example, cold, cough, typhoid, cholera, etc. In acute disease, the person gets better and becomes well within a week. Now there is second type of disease, that is chronic disease. These last for a long time, even as much as lifetime. For example, tuberculosis, diabetes, cancer, etc. Now, diseases are classified into two categories. Now, diseases are classified into two categories. Number first, that is infectious disease or communicable disease. Infectious disease or communicable disease. What is infectious disease or communicable disease? Disease is easily transmitted from one person to another person is called communicable disease or infectious disease. Now, second category of diseases, that is non-infectious disease. Non-infectious disease or non-communicable disease or the diseases cannot be transmitted from one person to another person. बाकी इंशाल्लाह आइंदा अल्लाह हाफिज.